Hi guys, and welcome back to episode number 2 of Back to Basics, and today we are talking about Instagram. But not just Instagram, we're talking about how to upload photos from your computer or your Mac directly to Instagram without having to worry about one of these. We're going to stick 4 minutes on the clock, and I'm going to be really lazy here because it shouldn't take 4 minutes. This should be a really quick tutorial. So this is my Instagram here, and as you can see, at no point on this screen do you see that little plus icon. So how do we get that plus icon so it allows us to upload? As you can see, you might be aware, you might not be, I'm currently using Firefox, and it's Firefox that this tutorial is going to be based on. So if you haven't got Firefox, I strongly recommend you download the latest version of Firefox. This might work on other browsers, I don't know, but for this purpose we're using Firefox. How many times can I say Firefox in this tutorial? So what you want to do is go to the add-ons place for the extensions and simply type in Instagram like so, and you will find, my computer's quite slow on the internet because really poor internet, but hey, 4 minutes with poor internet, still plenty of time. So Instagram by Alan Zhang, I think that's how you pronounce his name, not sure. Currently rated with 4 stars, and at the time of making this video there is 43,661 users using this add-on. Simply click on this add-on and click on add to Firefox. It will then pop up with a little window asking if you are wanting to add, asking you for permission. Click on add, and then over here click on OK. This little window is pointing out this icon here. So if I jump back to Instagram, you can see that there is no plus icon, and when I click on this it will create a pop-up window just like this. And if you just, I like to resize it because I just think that's just a monstrosity, but we have the plus icon. Now before we run out of time, let me quickly go through the settings that you need for on a Mac, because I don't actually have a Mac here at the moment, so I'll just tell you and you can work it yourself. You need Safari. Download the latest version of Safari if you haven't already done so, and once you've done that, tools bar, click on develop, then come down to user agents into the submenu, and you will have a list of different options. You want to be going for the one that says Safari ISO 4.3.3, yours might be different, hyphen iPhone. Click on that, it will then create Safari into thinking that it's running on an iPhone, and it will bring back this plus icon. If I remember, I might do a wee screen recording of all of that and overlay it as I'm doing it. I don't know. I might be lazy because the sun's out, shades are on, and I might want to go and enjoy the sun a wee bit with a wee bottle of beer or something. Not that I'm condoning drinking. Don't know what age you are. This YouTube stuff's a lot harder than I thought. Anyway, these might be a thing, maybe a tutorial thing, because the light here is really bright. Anyway, I've run out of time now. So if you've liked this video, please consider liking it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're going to go that far, you may as well just click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. My name has been Lee McLaughlin, this has been Back to Basics, this has been a tutorial on how to upload photos to Instagram from a PC or a Mac, and I'll see you in the next video. I was going to do the whole bye-bye thing, but before we go there, apologies for not uploading a vlog, apologies for not uploading a vlog the previous week, and apologies for not having a Back to Basics on Friday. I was at a wedding on Friday, I was being lazy the Monday before, not really, I was busy, and I was busy on Monday there. I was on holiday for a couple of days, so everything is definitely back on track. Catch you later. Bye bye.